happens after my Christmas party. Let's see. Okay, that it guys. The rest is for later. First, let's do the small gift. Let's rip this open. Okay, I'll let you guys have the first look because I love my fans. What's this? Okay. It's a sticker book. Wait. Ito, Ate Nen. It's a magnet book.
What did you get?
I got magnet books.
Is that the one that you want?
Yeah.
Are you on video?
Yeah. Let's open the big one next. Wow. This is what I wanted for Ate Nan's order. What the heck?
What the heck?
Yeah!
Wow! What is that? Explain.
This is the magnet that I wanted.
How many gifts did you get?
I got a tree.
You got 3. Okay, what were the gifts that you got? Oh,
Magnet books.
magnet books from.
Gian.
Okay.
Look.
Ay, butong di pa yung busog
Ito
awi-awi.
yung gusto ko gift ni Ate Nan sa Christmas ay.
Wow!
Bako na lang.
Nakuha mo na yung mga gift mo for Christmas.
Totoo nga siya dito din, oh.
Can you open these 2 books?
Mm.
Let's go and see what does this look like inside.
The blood ko.
Mm-mm. Happy naman siya. Mm. Open just one.
No, nalagay mo muna dyan. Look,
Mm.
we have to sira it because there's no way I open this.
I help you.
Okay. This is my Christmas party clothes. Okay, let's go and see.
So pretty with the dress, huh? Oh.
Whoa! Look! So much. I can build something with this. At Kajoy,
Yes?
I'm gonna
Open.
build a castle you can know.
What is this ba?
This-
Magnetic sticks. Ito naman yung open it from here. Oh, syllable.
Wait, it's for 4! It's for 4 years old.
Wow.
And then, don't mind the box. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. Look.
Oh, magnetic? How?
Ganito oh.
Wow! Super cool!
Let's build a castle.
Super nice!
Let's build a castle.
Go!
Malis na dito. Let's build a castle. You'll see it after I'm done. Last more.
Galing na baby ko.
So far. Okay, goodbye.